Imagine this, you are playing a game of bow and arrow and the rules are simple. There are 10 points on the target ranging from 1 to 10. If you hit 1, you get 1 arrow back. If you hit 2, you're gonna get 2 arrows back. And the interesting part is you can then just go to the market and sell these arrows for money. So I went on, got 10 arrows and decided that I will play this game. I developed a plan, a strategy and started shooting one by one. I shot my first arrow and it did not hit anywhere, so I lost it. Then I hit the second and it didn't hit either. I was so frustrated that my arrows are not hitting, so I then took the third one, the fourth one and fifth one and none of them hit. I was so mad at that point, I took all the arrows at once and shot them at the target and again none of them hit. Now you might be thinking I am insane and what am I talking about? But what if I tell you this is something that you do every day? Hear me out. You are doing the same thing, playing the same game every day. Each arrow represents your investment. Each losing arrow means hitting your stop loss, and the way you are shooting your arrow reflects your trading strategy. Now, when you shoot 1 to 2 arrows at first and miss it, you then get angry, frustrated and start shooting one after another. And when even they don't hit, you take all of your arrows and shoot all at once, and this is called revenge trading. When you lose 1 to 2 arrows, you get angry and shoot more. And this is when you get into revenge mode. And if you miss them all, you completely forget about your plan, your strategy, and shoot all of the remaining arrows. You then start to treat trading like a street fight, which it is not. Trading is more like a strategic game which requires skill and, most important, peace of mind. You see, peace of mind is required for clear thinking and easy decision making. And if you don't have it, you are not gonna make good decisions. And I always say this, in trading, revenge trading is not against the markets, it's always against the traders. So let me share you a quick, simple strategy that will help you stop revenge trading instantly. Here's what you do. If you are someone who does revenge trading, then after you go through a loss, what you need to do is just close your trading platform and then get out of there for 15 minutes. For this 15 minutes, you do not have to do anything that is related to trading. You can go for a walk, listen to a song, or do whatever the hell you want, but anything which is not related to trading.